How to add treble boost effect to your voice audio on Audacity. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Audacity. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do here is simple. Just select your audio like this. I'm gonna select it, click on effect and go down, click on equalization. If you didn't find it, just download the old version of Audacity, click on it and go down here to select curve, click and choose treble boost and click OK, and everything is gonna be done. Please, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you later.